Hello guys, Oblivion here, also known as Connor. Today I'm not here to do a gaming video, well, sort of a gaming video, I'm here to do a tutorial. So I'm going to show you some tutorials about command blocks and what you can do with them, etc, etc. So, the first command block which I'm going to show you is /say. So I'm going to show you the command which I've placed, /say. No capital S because it's case sensitive. Then your message will go after a space between the say and your message. So /say this will be pi. So if you stand on a pressure plate, it'll say that. So moving on, my next message here will still include /say, but they'll have @p, which means use @p to target nearest player, use @r to target random player, and use @a to target all players. So if I was on a server and I was op, you need to have op to be able to use this on a multiplayer server, and I did @r, it would target a random player on the server and say that message. If I used @a, it would target all players and say that message to everyone. And if I use @p, it'll be the person that activated it. So for example, I'm using @p, so it'll target me, and it'll say, "Hello Oblivion, your pi face has pi." Doesn't make much sense, but okay, it's fair enough. So the next command I've got to show you here is #0. So if you're just like getting annoyed and have to type things all the time, and you can just let a machine do it for you. So if you just activate it, it'll set the time to 0, and well, bang, you get daytime. This works with any you can time set nights. I'll just try time set day or time set night, might as well. I believe, yeah. Letters work as well, words work. So the next thing I'm going to show you is /Spawnpoint. Now there are different pressure plates for this one because I want to show you something. So the command I've got for this is /Spawnpoint @p, which is the activator. So if I go to stand on this pressure plate, it will set the spawn point to this pressure plate here, pressure plate. As you see, it'll say 612, so it will just stand me here. Yep. So it does that so that you're not, if it's a pressure plate like mine is, you're not going to stand on it again and mess it up. So it moves the x coordinate one to the right. So here I'm just going to show you again that it changes. As you can see, 612, 614. So yeah, it changes every time, depending on where the activator is. So it doesn't spawn it on the command block. The next command I've got to show you is the /tp command. So the /tp command, you don't need to designate X, Y or Z. All you need to do is type it in order. So if you press F3, you'll see that it says X equals -620. Y is 4 and Z is 21. So you want to put it in that order, and then once you activate it, so I've put @p so that you can target a certain player. You don't need to put that, of course, it's just demonstration purposes. So if I stand on this pressure plate, it's teleported me here. Now I stood on here trying to get the coordinates of this. It moved me one to the right, or left, or right, in case of any standing on it again and get teleported again. So now I can go back and teleport back to these coordinates. So that's about it for the main serious part of the tutorial. I'm just going to show you now some trick that I found. So likewise, portal, if you make two portals parallel to each other on the ceiling or on the floor, you'll find that you keep falling up and down, up and down, up and down. I've got something similar to here to show you. Now since it moved you one to the right, I set the coordinates for this one to the right, or one to the left, so that, well, you'll see. So, I managed to make it do this, if I just hover over. Whee! So I can just get teleported back and forth. This only happens if you move the command block designation X location to the left. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for command blocks. If you want any more tutorials for any other thing to do with Minecraft, or anything really, just type it in the comments on Steam, PM me privately on YouTube, or add me in a comment on YouTube, PM me privately, or you can use another sort of chatting. Yeah. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys later. Bye bye.